In 2017, the US government opened public comments on net neutrality. They got 22 million of them. But here's the strange part. When journalists dug into that mountain of data, over 1 million comments turned out to be written by a bot, a glorified Mad Libs machine, swapping synonyms so each fake looked like a unique human thought. I demand you repeal it. I urge you to overturn it. Mathematically identical. When the dust settled, fewer than 800,000 of those 22 million comments came from real people, and that was 2017 chase primitive stuff. Today, algorithms generate photorealistic faces of people who don't exist and write essays that debate geopolitics with themselves. So it's tempting to look at modern AI and see magic, inscrutable, a black box. We see the inputs, we see these terrifyingly competent outputs, and we assume the space in between is beyond comprehension. But it isn't. The reality is much more grounded. It's mechanics, it's just math. And that's what I want to break open. Not the high level stuff. You already know AI feeds on data, makes a guess, measures its error, and adjusts. I want to go into the sub-basement, bring out the flashlights, look at the literal wiring, because here's the payoff. Once you understand how a computer actually multiplies fractions, you suddenly understand exactly why $1 billion AI hallucinates or forgets what it was just talking about. Start with the single most important idea. A neural network is a giant web of connections, and every connection has a weight. The best way to think about those weights, they're the system's beliefs about the world, and at the start, those beliefs are completely random. The network guesses, compares it to reality, measures how wrong it was, then traces that error backwards, nudging every belief a little closer to the truth. Do that a few billion times and random noise slowly becomes something that looks an awful lot like understanding. No magic, just wiring. Over this series, we'll follow those wires all the way up, from a single neuron to the models running the world. I'm Ovi Imara. Let's get into it.